You want to live the life of your dreams, but how do you walk away from the security of a good paying job? What are you supposed to do? I want to talk to you about something super important. We want your life to be fun. You're here right now because you've made the decision to live happy, fun-loving, and carefree. So now what? It probably appears a bit overwhelming. Hey, you're not alone. Living the life of your dreams in today's noisy world is no easy task. But then, you already know this, and this is exactly why you're right here, right now. What's holding you back from living the life of your dreams? What is stopping you from living happy, fun-loving, and carefree? Let's find out about it. You might live on a homestead, or a sailboat with your cat, or an RV with a snake. It doesn't much matter as long as you are living life on your terms. My opinion, nothing beats waking up in the morning. Hey, waking up, that's super important for sure. Drinking a cup of hot coffee and taking in a big breath of fresh air, clean air. The thing is, many folks have an unfounded fear of change. It's true. Some people fear leaving the security of the normal life that they're living, even when they know something better, like a life that they dream of, is out there waiting for them. Reality is negotiable. You have a choice. Your reality has been created by people around you. Your parents, family, friends, teachers, bosses, hey, and those talking heads in the media. Today is the perfect time to think about your reality, the life you are living right now, and make changes so you live your happy, fun-loving, carefree life, whatever it might be for you. As Albert Einstein said, reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. So, how do you change your reality? You cannot create your new reality thinking and seeing the same way that you've been thinking and seeing. That's confusing. You cannot solve a problem with the same thinking that you used to create the problem. When you want to do something different with your life, hey, you must do something that you've never done before. Different. Start focusing on your dreams and ignore the noise of the normal world. When you get up in the morning, everything begins with you making a decision. Start making decisions that rewrite your world so you can rewrite your life. Take charge of your life and head in a new direction that takes you to the reality of your dreams. Hey, my opinion, the goal of life is to enjoy what you have now, to be happy, and to have some fun. It's all just an illusion. It's all just a game. Job security. Hey, that's an illusion too. A normal job, a company job, it's not really a secure job. Just because you are getting a paycheck, hey, that doesn't make it a secure paycheck. Working hard and exchanging your time for money at some big company, hey, that's no job security. The vicious circle of clothes, job, house, job, car, commute to the job, stuck in traffic, and oh yeah, the job. It's the big trap of normal life. Time is your most valuable asset, so don't let someone else tell you what your time is worth. The thing is, risk is not the opposite of security. Insecurity is the opposite of security. And amazingly, risk hey, that's the solution, the answer to you finding and creating security. You must step outside of your comfort zone and do something that you have never done before. When ye thirst to discover new oceans, ye must be having the courage to lose sight of land. Arr! A little bit of the old days there. The old school idea of working hard day in and day out, year after year, at a job that you don't really like, exchanging your time for money, and deferring your life until old age is the normal way to live life. Your goal is to live each and every day, to have the freedom to do what you want to do when you want to be doing it. Please stop looking in the mirror each morning and saying, I hate my life, but 10 years from now, my life will be great. There will always be something, some decision to be made. So, deferring life until later, hey, that's like saving sex for old age. Develop your plan of action. Start now, start today, because the time, hey, it's never going to be right. Stop spending time on anything that is not moving you closer to your goal. If something doesn't serve an important purpose, eliminate it. The greatest challenge in life is to find the thing that you love. Please don't waste time living somebody else's life. Listen to your inner voice and follow your heart. Stay disciplined and focus on what you'll be gaining and how much better that your life is going to be. Like a motorcycle rider, look where you want to go and go there. Because if you focus on the wrong place, like down in the ditch, hey, that's where you'll end up. Look beyond the obstacles and visualize successfully reaching your goal. Push yourself to move forward. Do something, do anything, and keep that momentum going. That's really important. Please, 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 never take life too seriously, because it's all just a game. It's all just an illusion. And hey, no one gets out alive anyway. We're all bombarded with so many things that, hey, we have no control over. Most of us suffer from information overload. You know, analysis paralysis. Why do we make life so darn complicated? I don't know. Life really is simple, and it's up to you to do whatever is necessary to simplify your life. Complexity is something that you must remove from your life. Hey, shorten your to-do list. Make it shorter. Putting on clothes you buy specifically for work. Leaving your house that has a huge mortgage empty all day. Driving in rush hour traffic with the car that you're still paying for in order to get to the job that you need to pay for the clothes and the house and that car. Huh? It just doesn't make much sense to me. So, is this holding you back from living the life of your dreams? Is all of this stopping you from living happy, fun-loving, and carefree? And to be clear, I hope this is obvious, you do not have to live on a homestead or in a sailboat or, hey, even on an RV with a snake. It's living the life of your dreams anywhere that you might be. Aye, the life of your dreams be a state of mind. Arr. So what are you still doing here watching me? Why aren't you already out there taking the steps to live in your happy, fun-loving, carefree life, the life of your dreams? Subscribe, you know you really want to, and watch another video about living life to the fullest. Me goal be to motivate and stimulate you to be living an awesome dream life. living happy, living fun loving, and hey, of course, living carefree.